Think ping tells you everything about host reachability. That assumption has burned a lot of engineers. The go-to command for testing reachability is ping. It sends ICMP echo request packets to the target host and waits for replies. Just type ping followed by the hostname or IP address. Consistent replies with round-trip times confirm the host is up and reachable at the network layer. Pay attention to packet loss. Even partial loss can signal network degradation. But here's the critical caveat. Many firewalls block ICMP traffic entirely. A host could be fully up and serving requests while ping returns nothing. So when ping fails, test port-level connectivity instead. Netcat with the Z and V flags probes a specific port without sending data. Telnet works similarly, and curl is perfect for testing HTTP and HTTPS endpoints directly. When you need to see where connectivity breaks down along the path, use traceroute on Linux or traceroute on Windows. It displays every hop between you and the destination, pinpointing exactly where packets stop. And always verify DNS first. Use dig or nslookup to confirm the hostname resolves to the expected IP before running any reachability tests. Start with ping for a quick check, use traceroute to trace routing failures, test specific ports with netcat or curl, and always remember, ICMP can be blocked. Like and subscribe for more Linux interview prep. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.